Okay, so in one of my recent videos, I was talking about where big tech companies are having mass layoffs. And here is it now. We see again now Disney plans to do job cuts and hiring freeze. And this is happening even during the holiday season. But I don't want you to get a focus or be fearful of these job loss and job cuts and mass layoffs. Here's what I want you to focus on. So Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, recently tweeted, "Gold, silver, Bitcoin may protect your wealth, but not your income. As economy crashes, stock markets go bust, pensions crash, and unemployment rises." Listen to this. A side hustle may provide you income, and who knows, your side hustle may grow into the next Amazon or Bitcoin. Take care. Be well. This is why I want to encourage you. You never know what your side hustle or your idea in your head may turn out to be. Keep going. Let me know your point of view on this. And if you're continually looking for income opportunities and ideas especially, let me know in the comments. Let's see how we can connect.